Hey, good day, Fiddlershop. Spot on. Thanks for the great work on the replacement bridge. Cool. Here's a wee tune for you to enjoy during your morning coffee break. Okay. Oh, I can't do this without the brain transplant from Fiddlerman. Hang on. So here it is. My glasses. Man, old age don't come along, does it? Lordy. Right, I think I'm ready. Have fun, enjoy, and thanks again. That was brilliant work. Thank you very much. It hasn't arrived yet, but it'll no doubt be delayed in transit if not due to our customs, probably due to some coronavirus thing. But never mind. Here we go. Enjoy. Thanks again, folks. Much appreciated. Awesome.